In order to install Xray for Minecraft, including the latest version, open up any web browser like you normally would, then look up Ultimate Xray Texture Pack, then press on enter just like so. Then please go to the official curseforge.com website, and it is going to bring you to a site that looks something like this. Afterwards, go ahead and press over here where it says files, and then you want to install the latest version. So then you want to press on these three dots, then select on download file just like so. Now wait for the file to be installed. Okay, then you just want to go ahead and drag and drop that file to your desktop right over here. Then afterwards, what you want to do is you want to close out of the web browser and then open up Minecraft like you normally would. Okay, then make sure to go on Java Edition, select on the latest release, then go to the top menu, press on installations. Then you want to locate latest release one more time. You want to press on this folder icon that says open installations folder. Then you want to scroll down until you see a folder called resource packs in all lowercase, which is right here. Double click on it. All right, then what you want to do is you want to drag and drop the Xray Ultimate Texture Pack inside of the resource pack folder like this, then close out of it, return back to the Minecraft launcher, then select on play just like so. Wait for Minecraft to open up. All right, then all you want to do is you want to load into any Minecraft world like you normally would. All right, then in order to activate the texture pack, press on escape, press on options, press on resource packs, and then it is going to be right here, Xray Ultimate, press on the arrow button, then press on done. Alright, then as you're able to tell, we now have Xray fully working. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.